How to add core to TrustWallet. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add core to your TrustWallet. Let's get right into it. First, open your TrustWallet app and head over to the Tokens tab. You'll see a list of your current assets here. Now, tap on the search icon in the top right corner and type core in the search bar. If core doesn't appear in the list, don't worry, we will manually add it. So scroll down and tap on add custom token. Change the network to the correct blockchain that supports core, for example Ethereum or Core Chain. Enter the contract address, name, symbol, and decimals for the core token. You can find this information on trusted sources like Core Project's website or CoinMarketCap. Once you've entered all these details, tap Save, and the core token will now appear in your TrustWallet alongside your other assets. And that's how you add core to TrustWallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.